In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a redirect. So when you're setting up a redirect, it's important to know that before this, that you have pages and posts and categories on your website. And if you are ever go in and let's say on a category, you delete that category or you delete a page off of your site because you no longer need that page, you trash it, then you need to make sure that before you do that, that you take that URL and you set up a redirect so it goes, the URL that's no longer going to be on your website is redirected to a different page. Whether that's the home page or whether that's another page that's replacing that page. That way, when Google has indexed your site, it knows that this page now goes over here instead. And you're not going to get an error in your Google Search Console. This is really common, and a lot of people get errors when things are not, when they've deleted something and now Google can't find it and it has a 404 error. And so the way to avoid that is when you delete anything from the site, with regards to posts, categories, pages, things like that, you want to set up a redirect. This is about URLs only, not images or anything like that, but URLs. So let's say we were deleting the About page, for example, and here's the About page. What you're going to do is you're going to come up here to the top of your browser and you're going to copy this URL. And then you're going to go down to Tools and Redirection. Now, if you do not have the redirection plugin in your site, you can ask us and we will go and install it for you, or you can install it yourself. It's just called redirection. You're going to go to Plugins and you're going to click on Add New and you're going to type redirection in the box. And then once you typed in redirection, it'll show up and you're going to activate it first and then install it. So, but here's what it looks like. It is called Redirection, and it's by John Godley. So this is the one that you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Redirection. It's under Tools and Redirection. And then you're going to click Add New here. You're going to put the old URL right there. And then let's say you had a new About Me page, or maybe you wanted to go to a different page like this one. Doesn't matter. Pick any page. It can be the home page. It can be whatever. And then you're going to put the second page, the page that it's going to go to here. So first page, the page that you're deleting, second page, the page that it will replace it. And then you're just going to click on Add Redirect, and that's it. It'll take a few minutes to take effect, but that's exactly what you're going to do is put that in there and it will automatically create that for you. So that's how you set up a redirect. If you have any questions, if you're going to delete something and you're not sure, feel free to reach out to us or give us a call at 517-917-0582 or shoot us an email at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Thanks for watching.